First Alert Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera, you've been very busy day, very active right now in the Weather Center.
Yeah, we were expecting a rough weekend, but Friday afternoon hit and it just took off here. Take a look. We got cooler air dropping in northeastern Colorado, helping to spark some thunderstorms up here in Washington County now primarily. There's a big storm going right through Akron here. Tornado warning till 6:30. Now, we've already had at least 2, maybe 3 reports of tornadoes on the ground with this, and this last warning is for radar indicated because there is some rotation going with this. Also, tennis ball size to baseball size hail out of this storm kicking in gear. And then on the north side of this, where it's a little weaker, so to speak, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning till 7 p.m. for ping pong ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. So it's just one big storm blowing through that area. Akron, Yuma, this had a history. You can see those little dots here from Akron all the way up into Logan County, Weld County. These reports are anywhere from egg size up to baseball size hail rolling through that area. And behind this storm, as we already mentioned, we've had reports of twisters touching down. Another line of storms going through Stratton and Burlington down here. No warnings on this. We had a warning earlier for a severe storm, but near Flagler with 51-mile-per-hour wind, and there is some hail, probably marble size to just under quarter size hail out of that storm. In the meantime, we got clouds over Denver back into the mountains, but not much action at all as far as rain showers or thunderstorms. So I think we'll have some clouds, but we're going to have a dry night for the most part here in the Denver metro area, and also it's still clear down to the south and out west. So that whole stretch out east until 9 p.m. tonight, severe thunderstorm watch, watching for the strong winds and the hail, and as we've already seen here with the heating of the day, we are seeing some tornadoes develop, and it's really warm out there too. We had a high of 85 in Denver today. It's going to cool down starting tomorrow. Take a look now as that cooler air kind of drifts in overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, cloudy it looks like from Denver out to the east, and we could have a little morning drizzle to kick off the weekend tomorrow. And then in the afternoon, we start to get a little more moisture coming from that big low out west, and that will help to lift some showers and thunderstorms from Denver out over the eastern plains late into the evening. We could have big thunderstorms. That's the map at 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Still going on. Those move out by 4 o'clock in the morning. Light rain, light drizzle here and there over eastern Colorado early Sunday morning. Sunday's going to be cloudy, and then thunderstorms in the afternoon on Sunday as well. Those could be severe as well. In fact, if we take a look at tomorrow, foothills, I-25 corridor from Fort Collins down to Pueblo and eastern Colorado, large hail, damaging winds possible with some of the storms. And then we take you to Sunday. This is new today from yesterday. Sunday now over the Denver metro area up to Boulder down through southeastern Colorado. There is a small percentage that we could have some large hail and damaging winds as well. Now for tonight, we're looking at 50s and 40s here in the eastern plains, 30s and 40s in the mountains. If camping is your thing on Memorial Day weekend, it's going to be cold and wet up in the mountains going on this weekend. 60s and 70s for highs up there tomorrow, and we'll be in the 60s and 70s here in the east, 80s out there on the western slope. So let's walk you through it. 2 severe days here. First alert weather day for tomorrow. 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. And again, in the afternoon, could be hail producers. 63 on Sunday, but I boosted the chance of to 80% on Sunday for the rain in the morning, thunderstorms in the afternoon. Monday, 64 degrees for Memorial Day. Showers and thunderstorms possible on that day. 80% chance as well. So Monday could be almost just like Sunday as well. Just a super soaking day on that day. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we are in the 70s. And there's a chance of thunderstorms each and every day, but we get back to about 10 to 20% by that day. So it's going to be an interesting weekend as we get closer to the holiday. Each day seems like every day more and more and better chances of rain coming your way.
We know the Weather Department has us covered. Thank you so much, Dave.
You betcha.
Your First Alert